Practice backing into a parking space on the left, and we're backing into lane number 2 on the left. So signal to the left, keep the car going straight, just leave enough space for a car to get by you on the left. So we need to back into lane number 2 here. So we keep going straight until the back of the car is in the middle of lane number 1. Just about there. Place the gear selector to reverse, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then check around, then back up completely into the lane. Keep checking. Now we will be parking in that lane. That's opposite the lane we're parking in. So we wait for the car to do the job. Now the car is straight. Turn the steering wheel to the right until it looks like the face of a clock, then to the right again until it looks like the face of a clock. That means the car is straight, the wheel is straight. Now back into the parking space while checking all around 360, making sure there are no cars or pedestrians. And that's it, we're done. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, we are done.